Hi, I'm Emily Branch, Conversation Health's Head of Community, and I'm here with Steve Cox, VP of Sales, for his take on virtual rep as a former pharmaceutical rep himself. Hi, Steve. Thanks for joining me.
Thanks for having me.
As a former pharmaceutical rep, what is your perspective of virtual rep?
It's a really interesting question. And, as you think back around how long the pharmaceutical rep model has been in place, well over 100 years, actually, and the market has changed dramatically over the course of that time. And the pharmaceutical model, in terms of how they engage with HCPs, has really not changed much at all. So being able to look at something like virtual rep as a new approach and a new way to engage HCPs, I think is incredibly exciting. I think it's something that's long overdue in terms of being able to supplement and really enhance the human field rep responsibilities. So I think virtual rep really offers a new opportunity for the pharmaceutical industry to look differently at how they engage with their customers.
And what has been the reception of virtual rep by industry?
Overall, I think it's been incredibly positive. I will say, pharma is generally pretty conservative in terms of, their approach to certain things. But the reality is, if you look at the marketplace today, AI, conversational AI, online communication, it's exploding. And so I think now as pharmaceutical companies start to really look and understand at how the market has changed and what the capability from a virtual rep perspective offers, they're tremendously excited. They can't keep adding more human reps to the field, and they've got to find ways to still reach those audiences of their customers that don't engage in the office with a human rep. So I think they're really excited. They're really interested in learning more and really understanding how it can fit into their strategy and their promotional mix.
Why did you join Conversation Health?
Well, I think for a lot of the reasons we just talked about. Look, I've been in the industry for a long time.
Yeah.
This conversational AI segment is literally exploding. And I think as you look at the capability that conversational health has, they're blazing the trail in terms of how this can actually work within the pharmaceutical and biotech industry. And so as I started to look more deeply into the technology itself, where conversation health is in terms of supporting current customers, and then looking at the opportunity in the marketplace, I think it's just a tremendous time to be involved in something like this, where we can really create a new part of the industry that is different than anything people have experienced before. And for the customers, for their HCPs, really, I think provide a truly different customer experience that they are looking for from their pharmaceutical partners.
Thank you, Steve.
Thank you.